Hold up, guys. Here we got a 2022 Genesis G70. 2022. We're gonna take off this handle, that mirror, and this trim panel. All right. Flathead screwdriver, very small one. Take that piece out. You're also gonna take that piece out. That is it right there. Take that black piece out. That right is the flathead. That is a Phillips screwdriver. The same for down there. Phillips screwdriver. Feel it. It's one. Take those two screws out. Once you take those two screws out, you're gonna put your flathead screwdriver up in the crease of it and a clip puller. You're gonna pry it open. Now you gotta open, clip puller, pry it open. Move that piece out of here. Get that piece out. Now once you got this loose, you're gonna go up with it. Once you do that, now it's time to take off the wires. That's how you take off the trim panel. Now, take off the mirror, unplug it, and move those 3 nuts from there. Those are number 10. Move them from there. Unplug that. Number 10 socket. All right. Once you take off two nuts, you want to hold it so you don't drop the mirror. That's how you take out the mirror, okay? And let's do the handle. Y'all see that black piece right there? Use a flathead screwdriver and take it out. Get that piece out. That is in number 8 socket, number 8. Loose it up. And once you got that loose, use a flathead screwdriver and put it right in the crease of it. Put it right in the crease of the thing. Right. You're gonna pull this piece open. That's how that comes out, just like that. Now, to take out this one, just go ahead and put it forward and away from you. Put it forward and away. And unplug the wires. Bang. Alright? For plenty more of these guys, go ahead, hit that like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another one. Check it out.